pleasant morning to each and everyone. I am Angela C. Uberes from BSIT Block 1 and I'm here to present my term project all about the Ten Commandments.
Why do we need to follow and obey the Ten Commandments?
We need to follow and obey the Ten Commandments because this is one of our way to communicate with God and one of our way to serve God. The Ten Commandments represents of who we are, who He is, where we are, and what He has done to us. And lastly, as a children of God, it is our responsibility to obey and follow the Ten Commandments because Lord God sacrificed His life just to save us all.
What are the Ten Commandments?
The Ten Commandments. First, I am the Lord your God. You shall adore me alone and love me above all. Second, you shall use my name with respect. Third, remember that you keep holy the Lord's day. Fourth, honor your father and your mother and lawful superiors and authorities. Fifth, you shall not kill. Sixth, you shall not commit impurity. 7. You shall not steal. 8. You shall speak the truth and respect the good name of your neighbor. 9. You shall not consent to impure thoughts and desires. 10. You shall not unjustly desire your neighbor's good. And that would be all. Thank you.